keto diet is a fat-based diet and sort of different from a normal calorie restriction diet, where you just eat less than normal. If you are thinking about getting started with this fat-based diet, do make sure you prepare well before going on a keto diet and speak to your doctor about it before starting. Once your doctor clears you, you should be good to go. Now before you actually get started, here are a few things that you need to know in order to reach ketosis. Number 1. The first week of ketogenic diet. The first 4 to 7 days of keto diet are said to be the most difficult ones. Your body is adapting. You may have food cravings, sleeping problems, fatigue, muscles ache, and even flu-like symptoms. And that is nothing to worry about. The body is detoxing and switching from burning glucose for fuel to burning ketones for fuel. The transition process can leave you feeling lethargic and irritable. Working out, biking, running, and weightlifting might not be a very good idea during the first week of ketosis. You need to give your body a rest through the first week of keto. Number 2. Choose the right time to start. Ideally, you want to start the diet at a time when you're away from work or any other important event that requires your physical presence. Taking 2 days off from work just before the weekend will give you about 4 days to rest while on the keto diet. Most people reach ketosis within 4 to 5 days, and you'll feel great after that. Number 3. Know the principles. Study the principles of keto diet well, so you'll be able to decide how many calories you need from fat and protein. Know the difference between net carbs and carbs. Knowing the basics of the diet will allow you more flexibility. You'll know which foods to eat, when to consume more calories, which carbs are better, and so on. So do your research and be well informed. Number 4. Have recipes on hand. One of the most difficult aspects of diets such as keto or paleo is compliance. To comply and eat meals that are strictly keto will be an uphill task, since most of us have been raised on a diet rich in carbs. Trying to eat outside will be difficult too, because commercially sold food is usually high in carbohydrates and other processed ingredients. The best way to be compliant is to cook your own meals. To do that, it's best to get a few keto books with recipes that you can follow. Try to find the best ingredients, like something cheesy with meat and avocados. This will allow you to whip up tasty meals and follow the diet without much struggle. Number 5. Practice cooking keto meals. Buying the recipe books alone will not suffice. You'll need to practice cooking these dishes. Ideally, you want to improve your cooking skills even before you embark on the diet. Spend a few weeks cooking keto meals and just getting used to the taste of the food and so on. This will make it easier for you when you start the diet. You acquired the taste for the keto meals, and they'll not come as a shock to your taste buds when you do start. Last but not the least, number 6. Prepare for intermittent fasting. Hunger is usually suppressed on the keto diet. Fat is satiating, and you may find yourself feeling not very hungry some days. And when you're on a ketogenic diet, this is what most people do. They combine the intermittent fasting with the ketogenic diet to produce best results. It will take about 2 to 3 weeks to get used to the intermittent fasting. Once you have 16-8 protocol, which means fasting every day for 16 hours, or 18-6 protocol, which means fasting 18 hours every day, you're ready to ace the keto diet and see rapid weight loss. In fact, you'll already see the weight coming off once you start intermittent fasting. Enjoy your meals and experience the multitude of health benefits that will manifest in your life once you embrace the keto lifestyle.